This video will guide you through the installation of the L-TWOO mechanical front derailleur. Use a 5mm hex key to temporarily attach the front derailleur to the frame by turning clockwise. This allows the derailleur to move slightly. Adjust the height of the front derailleur. Ensure the gap between the outer plate and the teeth of the largest chainring is 3mm. Adjust the angle of the front derailleur so the inner plate is parallel to the largest chainring. Secure the position of the front derailleur by tightening the mounting bolt clockwise with a 5mm hex key. Gently pull the shift cable and press the downshift lever until it can no longer be pressed, ensuring the gear is fully released. Thread the shift cable through the cable fixing screw and tighten it. Ensure the bottom of the barrel adjuster contacts the front derailleur. If there is no barrel adjuster, skip this step. Tighten the mounting bolt clockwise using a 5mm hex key. Leave 3-5 cm of excess shift cable. Trim the excess cable with cable cutters and install the cable end cap. Thank you for watching this tutorial.